Hi and welcome back to the Twins and Me. Today we've got a food shopping haul. It is from Tesco. I did a click and collect and I actually work for Tesco and I'm one of the pickers that picks the food for the click and collect people. So I have got a couple of substitutes which I wasn't that happy with, if I'm honest, because I wouldn't have picked that. But, you know, hey, that's the way it is. So I'm going to show you what we've got and let you know what meals we've got planned for this week and some of the items obviously I've already got in the cupboard. So the meals that we've got this week are chestnut and mushroom tarts, which is from the Deliciously Ella app. Speedy tomato pasta, which is another Deliciously Ella recipe, and it is nice and quick to make. I'm going to do some stuffed peppers with some like black beans and rice and stuff. And then I've got celeriac rosties. Rosties? Oh god, I don't know why I was filming up there. Celeriac rosties with wild mushrooms and some roasted veg. And then I've got vegan caramelized mushroom pizza, salad and chips. There's a lot of mushrooms going on this week. And then on Sunday I've got a roast. So let me show you what I've got. So I forgot to say that we are doing Veganuary. So everything that we've got is vegan. I've got 2 packs of toilet roll. I did order a 24 pack. But they subbed it for 2 9s, which is one of the things that they're not supposed to do. They're supposed to sub up, so I've actually got less toilet roll than what I ordered, and I should have the same amount. But anyway, I got a pack of 9 Warburton crumpets, 2 sesame bread sticks, and some sesame bagels. And I've got some breadcrumbs, some serene malt loaf. This is the frozen stuff, so I've got some vegetarian sausage rolls. These are amazing. If you haven't tried them, then you need to. I've got some nice leeks. I don't normally buy them frozen, but when I tried to do my basket for my shop last night, it said that they didn't have any leeks, even though there was some in the shop. But anyway, so I ordered frozen ones instead. And then I've got these 2 Chicago Town pizzas. We've had this one before and it was really nice, and then I've also got this one as well. We're going to have them for lunch with some salad. I've got superseded bread, 2 packs of potatoes because I need some for the roast and some for something else that I said that's got roast potatoes. I've got some crunchy organic peanut butter that's on a club card offer at the moment. Then I've got this one. This is for Chloe to make some like bird seed holders, so you put this on to hold the seeds in, so that's why we've got that one. We've got some of these Tesco mint thins, which I'm loving at the moment. Got some Coleman's mustard powder, almond butter. This is another one of the subs. I asked for one with a grinder, but it's coarse ground black pepper that you shake, so hopefully it'll be all right. Then we've got some Cheerios. These are also on a club card offer at the moment. I've got some graham flour, which is like chickpea flour, I think. Yeah. And then also got some buckwheat flour. Now, I can't tell you exactly where I got them because I can't really remember, but it must be in one of the recipes that I saw it. I got 2 of these Fruisley cereal bars. These are on a club card offer just at £1 at the moment, so I've got a couple of boxes of them. I've got a tin of black beans because we eat quite a lot of them, so I like to keep stocked up. I've got some hummus for some lunches, some squash. Let's go down this front to the treats. I've got these Fancy Plants chocolate pots, which are really nice. I've got 2 packs of them. They're on a club card offer as well. A double pack of Oreos, again club card offer, and these ones are also on a club card offer. These taste amazing, but they are only little. Got some of this smoked Gouda. We had this in our burgers last week and it was really nice and it melted nicely. And then this is a substitute, and I think I ordered some kind of mozzarella thing, but not in slices, so it was to make our own pizzas later on in the week, so I'll just have to rip the bits up for the pizza, that's fine. Got some of this silken tofu, and then this tofu, I really like this one, and I like the smoked one as well. Got some flora, some coconut yogurt. I've got a little tiny bottle of wine because I just need it for a bit of cooking, so I just bought a little one so it didn't get wasted. And then got a red for Craig there, some Tropicana smooth orange juice, some coconut milk and some pudding rice. I want to make a rice pudding, but a vegan version, so I'm going to give it a go with that instead. I've run out of all my oils at the same time, so I've got some rapeseed oil which I use to cook with, olive oil which I add onto salads and stuff. I also ran out of soya sauce, and then I got this to try as well. I have got tubs of coconut oil, but this one's in a spray, so I thought I'd give that a go, and it has leaked in the bag, so it's a bit oily everywhere, but it's fine. I've got 2 packs of cashews, 2 packs of ground almonds, 2 packs of Pink Lady apples. I've got a puff pastry because I like to make my own pies, and also some sausage rolls. I've got some almond milk which I mucked up because this is the one that goes in the fridge, and I like to get the one that goes in the cupboard because I haven't got enough room to keep 3 in my fridge, but I'm gonna have to squeeze them in. I've got some kombucha, and Craig ordered a load of these off of Amazon, and then I noticed that we sold them at work and they're on a club card offer, so these are only £3.50 for 4. So I've got the raspberry lemonade and the apple crisp. I've got some white basmati rice. I don't know why I got white, I normally get the brown, but never mind. I've got 2 large garlics because we go through quite a lot of garlic, some parsnips for our roast, some chives for a recipe, I don't know which one it is, a million mushrooms, so this is a big pack, chestnut mushrooms, but then I've also got these ones because I couldn't get wild mushrooms, I don't know what they are, so I got these instead, and some shiitake mushrooms, and some 2 packs of baby mushrooms. So we've got a lot of mushrooms going on this week. I've got a celeriac, I've got a broccoli, I've got some red chilies in there, I've got a cauliflower and some salad and some spinach. What else have got there? 2 packs of bananas, a cucumber, these piccolo tomatoes, I really like these ones, they're really nice and sweet, and then I just got some of these as well to go in the pasta sauce thing. I've got some carrots and some chili heatwave Doritos because they're our favourite. I've got the 30 pack of Tesco crisps, some dog food. He will use more than one of these in a week, but I've already got some, so I just bought one, and then some peppers. So that is everything that we got. Oh, that's the cat wants to go through the door. So yeah, that's for our dinners, that's for our lunches, and just for some snacks as well. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I love seeing videos like this because you get to see what other people eat, and I love getting new ideas. So if you like this kind of thing, don't forget to subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.